My name is Tim Sutinen from privacyproshop.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get multiple Session Messenger identities working with the Windows version of the Session Messenger desktop app. This is done on Windows 11 Pro, but it should work with any recent version of Windows. First, let's download and install the Windows executable from getsession.org. So we got it here. Let's open it, install it. This video is brought to you by privacyproshop.com, where you can buy Session ONS usernames anonymously with Monero, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies. We also accept credit cards. So after we've got it installed, we'll go here and you see the icon, the session icon here. I'm going to make a copy of it. So copy, I'm going to paste it here. So now we have two of them, Session and Session 2. So we'll go here, we'll edit this first one here. And to the end of the target, we will type in -- user data dir equals C:\users \demo, but you put whatever you want, whatever pertains to you. This is what pertains to me. And then I'm going to type in session 1. So this is my first instance of it. So I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to go to session 2. Click on properties. And again, go here and type in -- user data dir equals C:\users demo session 2. And I'm going to click OK. So now let's fire up the first one. And I'm going to create a new session ID for it. Let's call this session 1. And then whatever. Now we have session 1 running right there. Then I'm going to fire up session 2. Create a session ID. Continue. Click Get Started. And here we have two separate sessions. So I'm going to send a message from session 1 to session 2. So this is session 2. I'm going to copy the ID. I'm going to go here to session 1, click on new message, paste the ID in here, click next, type in hello there, session 2. And soon enough, it should show up as a message request. There it is. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to type back. Hi back. Session 1. How are you? And there we go. There we have two session instances with separate icons to start them with. Now I'm going to show you where the data is located. So you click on the File Explorer, go to this PC, local disk drive C, go to Users, go to Demo, and here you see Session 1 with all the goods in there, and Session 2. So you can have two completely separate instances of Session. Now to make it easier to figure out what's what, you might want to change the colors. So in this case, let's go to the settings in here on one of them, go to Appearance, and change it to maybe ocean light. There it is. Now it's different, so it's not so hard to figure out which one is which. So, that's all she wrote for now. Have a happy day.